Let's use some simple techniques to transform a thrift store wood cutting board and Dollar Tree truck into an adorable piece of decor for autumn. Hi there, I'm Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit, and thanks so much for stopping by. We love to make over and upcycle thrift store finds, and today we're going to be working with this paddle cutting board that my mom picked up at the thrift store. I had a vision of just creating a beautiful little scene for this galvanized truck that came from Dollar Tree. You could use the same techniques and ideas here with other surfaces, or look out for wood paddles like these at the dollar store or other craft store. I started by painting a coat of white paint along the bottom and top 2/3 of the paddle, leaving a section across the middle for the road that the truck is going to be on. I then painted over that once it was dry with my decoupage glue and let that dry completely. Did you know that only a small percent of people who watch our videos are subscribed? So if you end up liking this project, please consider subscribing. Mod Podge is also a great option for this, as we're going to be using it to decoupage on different colors of scrapbook papers and napkins that I've had in my collection. So you can see here I picked a couple shades of green papers for the bottom section, kind of thinking about this like grass. It's going to be a little bit of an abstract decoupage art piece. And then once I was happy with the placement of those pieces, I simply used my heat iron to press those pieces onto the wood cutting board, right where I had applied that decoupage glue. This iron-on decoupage method is truly one of my favorite ways of getting a wrinkle-free finish for your decoupage projects. Now it was time to paint some wood slices to look like pumpkins that will fill in the back of our truck. And you could use any oval rounds, wood rounds for this. I happen to have slices of driftwood that we use to make little buttons and such in our shop. I painted them in different shades of orange, some lighter, some darker, and then used coordinating colors to draw circles, little ovals to represent the grooves of the pumpkin. Some of them are vertically painted, some of them horizontally, so that you have a whole patch of different colors and shapes of pumpkins. I glued the truck onto the road of my sign and then filled the bed of the truck with all my pumpkins, arranging them even on top of each other. Finally, I finished off my upcycled piece with a bow made of orange and fall types of ribbons to create this beautiful paddle sign for autumn. We hope you enjoyed this upcycling idea. We have plenty more here on our channel, as well as this video that we think you'll also really enjoy. Happy crafting!